In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Ultimate Trainer for Resident Evil 4. Check my video description for the small link. Right click on the REFramework and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Drag and drop this input 8.dll inside of a game folder. And now launch the game. Once you are in game, expand this configuration. Menu keys, select the menu key and set your key you like to open this REFramework. Once you set the key, close and reopen using that key. In my case, I set it to 1, and now you can exit the game. Go back, open this Ultimate Trainer, drag drop these files, except this image inside of a game folder. Once you're done, launch the game. Once you are in game, expand the script generated UI and scroll down. Make this big as possible. You can able to see Ultimate Trainer. Expand this and check mark this use separate window. To test this trainer, I'm gonna increase and decrease the player health. As you can see the visible changes. You can increase the health to 100% and the trainer is working fine. To close this trainer, use the REFramework key. I selected 1 and it's closed. Whenever you want to open it again, press the 1 key. And that's how this Ultimate Trainer works. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.